IPOB Worldwide Limited in the UK. You can check with the UK Companies House with company number 13127887. A private business.
No.
You better stop you from taking it to the court. He's running from the regulators in the UK. That is the information you don't know. He's running from the regulators in the UK.
My brother.
Yeah.
The UK regulates its companies. You can also report that to the UK government. There's a company house in UK.
We've reported it and he ran away. He absconded. That's why I'm calling him.
No. The UK did not say he ran away.
I'm telling you, he's running.
There's nothing in their record.
Oh, my brother, ask me journalists, do your job. Journalists, do your job. Go to your own investigation.
What I'm saying is that there's no point pushing anybody on the spot on Facebook. Let them bring the evidence to court.
As a private business.
As simple as that.
Can I give it to you? Let me give it to you.
And he has been able to get people following him in the sense his private business.
He's a thief. He has been able to get people. Are you an Igbo man? Then leave this guy.
That's why he's arrested. Go ahead and talk to them. That's why he's.
And do you know what they told them? No, you don't want to.
I don't give a damn.
Come on, go see that.
Don't insult anybody, not necessary. I know him now.
No one is talking anybody from because you know him. Let me correct something. Don't make it as if people are against everything. What we are against is killing of Igbo people who don't buy into his ideology, bombing of police stations, attacking military men.
Let them bring the truth to court.
Should I give you their victim? Should I give you? Go there now. They cut them. They cut them.
Give him man.
Yes. Of course. Wait, excuse me. Now I should have fight them or what? No. I should fight them now what of you, Mama, the people that have been killing soldiers, what were they doing?
Dịka ọ bụ ndị mmadụ na-agwọ n'ụka.
You have a courtroom. Go and put the evidence there.
Ọ bụ
you can register as a witness to the federal government. Which one is the platform?
BBC.
Now.